Our society manipulate us to tell us for ball over week. But when you're born in this world, if you don't ball, the nurse or the doctor will lick you for your ball.
True.
It's a language that God can relate to.
Mm.
So I'm not make nobody deny me of my emotion for friend Yvette.
Not paying the people that are mine.
Our Yvette there. Yvette, you know, see somebody at trouble here. Leave me, I'm a friend.
Yvette.
She fake to you, she don't fake to me.
Mm.
You hear that?
Now the person in the profile look bad, poor.
Yvette is me.
Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Mr. Beulah, I'm proud of myself. I miss so much music I do from 2022 when I win Sting last year. And 9 music I do for the year.
Hey, you're going with yourself doing it because after Sting and you put out, you know, see we add plus tax, we not broke like them, the queen,
the
I'm we run out, but you're going
man.
yourself, man.
Well done, Queenie, you done well. Life hard, I've been to hell. Shoplifting way back then. Still standing, them can't take nothing. All of my song them when I sing. Anybody trouble me, just drop it. Me not trouble, not a body. Why when me suck them? Suck me back. Why man? Suck me crack. Equal rights, girl power boy. Suck me back. Every boy when me suck them. Suck me back. That say, hey! Me my own Mali. My own Obia. Me my own disgrace. My own awful. This. So me hear them some. So watch them fool, you know. I got them Obia.
Sure.
My mighty am a fall. Me no work with that Obia. If you no dash back, me dash it back for another that.
Well, I'm the queen.
I can't plant nothing for me. Pure.
Just for the minute they plant anything.
Look how I'm fresh and pretty.
What?
You know what, sweet, my Beulah?
Yeah.
Let me tell you what amazed me. You see, TikTok rehabilitate me right now that me not care the way TikTok great to me. Me see me can lie down in my bed. And the construction, are you that? Watch him there. Love you, and the construction. Yeah. Break with my face. The face traumatized me. The whole situation traumatized me. Number one, right for what? And may I tell you, when me in the bed, when me come in the bed, me feel afraid, me feel lonely, me feel lost, me feel fool, me feel stupid. Yes, if I'm go up that brother Mark, it like every emotion and memory out of me. Me so peaceful and relaxed. I see my face beautiful and nice. I say, Jesus Christ, God Almighty, you're great.
Me see you in person, Queen. If me never know, say, yeah, the thing.
So you go on bad, you go on worse than me, but couldn't even follow your back. You know what amazed me, yeah? When my fans them, let me tell you what amazed me. When my fans them automatically becomes me. Because you see some girl when them see me, them just transfer them just so like that, it just fascinate me, so I can't match up with them. Because it's entertaining to saw them impersonate me. So when them want me to do back what them want me to do is like me stuck. You know?
Yeah. You know what I mean? Even that's other about 10 minutes now.
Is it?
Big up all royal crazies. Big up everybody.
Big up yourself, is it?
What's up?
Either here you have one fake somebody, probably you have one fake friend, Yvette. I say you have one fake friend prior, I say Yvette a fake. I say yes, Yvette fake to you, but she not fake.
I can't see the crab them, you know.
Big up your fake crab friend. Big them up, Yvette. New eyeglass, you know.
I'm not going to tell them people with them.
I know my favorite eyeglass.
Hey, Riot Crazy, let me tell you something.
Everybody.
Yeah, the Riot Crazies. Let me tell you something. Let me get my glasses. Let me tell you something, Riot Crazies. But I appreciate, no. But let me tell you the moral of the story. You see, me never stand up for myself and believe in myself and fight for myself, wouldn't stand up for me. So I have to go on credibility because there, my real loyal, royal crazy. There, the good, the bad, the ugly. And when I said, no, Queenie shouldn't do that. When I find one awful, horrible something, not like us. Everybody, where my fans, there's something where let them and say, no, Queenie shouldn't do that. But if I always remember, not in control of me. So if you don't love me, Cheryl Rose Green, pick up your damn girl post. If you don't love me and accept me for who me is, it don't make a difference. And that's why I have so much strength and power. Because when you have a little girl, I go say, Queenie, bigger awfully. Then she remember say, no, Queenie, a big man and she full of life. But double tap, they say double tap. Hey, never wonder if I really queen that. Hey, let me tell you what amazed me. My birthday is in 8 days. Yeah. I remember telling you what amazed me. The glory way in my heart. The relax, so I feel nice and beautiful. The peace. Like, when I just come in England, I walk. I up on the road, I feel away, I feel lonely, I feel lost, I feel confused. So, if you see I'm joyful in my heart now, I'm relaxed and peaceful in myself, it's a blessing. That's super duper blessed. So we say, Queenie.
Super duper. Remember, it's when you get some stack, you know, and I look at them, I'm like, Jay, them is not inside. You're like, Mash, you know, you find one big name. And me don't.
Me is a big picnic for truth. But guess what? I appreciate life. As Mash just said, Mash said, because I take authority on myself, I'm in control of myself. A lot of people cannot digest me. And it's not even a lot, you know, it's just that bit, which you have to have those ones. We can't get everybody to agree with me.
You can't
You
make everybody
understand me?
not a mug.
I can't make everybody cup of air, me full air. I do a t-shirt them and the mug them. I go do my merch, man. Everything I come in.
I know as your merch drop me, I buy everything.
Yeah, that's a I have 355 people right now. Each one of them right crazy them. Right, which one on the favorite meme one I love with them. What's my next one there? Each one of them right crazy them. Ouch, I'm climb, look at my footbed. Ooh. Listen, say happy holiday. Ashley Lara, why am I? Happy holiday to you too. Yeah, listen, I saw around the merch, man. Everything I got on time, you know. Every little help, one and cocoa full basket. Yeah, listen. You tell family. All of my right crazy them right now. Me eat. Me see it. When me say, when me say 10. What come after 10? No, me say 10. 9. What come after 9? 8. Me 8 people.
Number 8.
Number 8. I'd love to see them back. Girl never flat, girl. Just saying hello. People have been seeing that for years. When I now write the quote them, right? Which one on the favorite quote? Me on the love about me. Shame, kill me. Can't be everybody cup of tea because I'm not never a flat girl.
Curry chicken.
Move it. Never lazy. Crazy never lazy. You don't know that's a vintage. Dog Queenie. That is classic. Me the press. You Queenie. I finally get my page back. How would I? Oh, the page is gone. Me is a hot girl, flat girl. Let me tell you the 3 main one now. Hot girl, cup of tea, regular. Count, Queenie, count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Maria tell Queenie, thank you. Come on, let me write the quote them. Bad, poor. Bad, poor. All right. What go on yesterday now? Come dig me in. Oh. I mean, I want to talk about, you know, look like shame kill me. I too shame me up, you know.
Yeah, man.
I too shame me have, you know. Fool, sir.
Mr. Star for true, man. Sometimes I listen. Crazy idea, so sit down and we are discuss some little thing and then crazy talk and then crazy with ball and then it's crazy bust out some big laugh, you know, you have to wonder.
That's true, man.
You see,
My character friend for true. But you know what, yeah?
Crazy star.
You know what? You know what happened? Me never know, say. Me never know, say, I too shame me have, you know. Me never know I too shame me have. Because Remember the day when me a ball and me lie down in the park and take the bush
and put the bush by your face. The big
put the
trouble.
bush up on my face and say, shame and kill me. So in my head, me think I just want. It's when they make the cartoon shame, when the man make the cartoon character with me, with the tongue ring.
Yep.
See, Mr. Queen, you know, say you are great woman. You're more powerful. Let me sit in that church and I remember since the I say it.
You see the job what me get now? But yeah, man.
I should. And if you see me call me listen, my mouth just twist the word
Yeah,
them.
Come here, one list.
Happy Thanksgiving, yeah, please. When me little bit, you know, country people love mock you.
Yeah.
So everything they mock you, so them used to mock me about my list. So when me not pronounce the word them little properly, they used to mock me and I say, I always say to myself, say, but after me make my list. So I'm fascinated to where you going, Urkel? What are you telling me later, fam? Urkel, let me see if I can add it. Don't leave. RUKE. Urkel, I cannot find you. What? Go on. They're live, yeah? Join the window, them I blow too hard. Watch two of them.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe to the channel cause European for Sandy and Bones TV. Watch out what going over the world. European for Sandy and Bones TV. Yeah, Naka scatter. Boom.
Without the wicked could we have sparkle of Nathan New. Hello, Queen Wave, Jamie Royal, watcher. Blessed be thy name. J. Hardy. Hi, J. Hardy.
You're nice at clean self. You know, me lay down here since me go drop asleep and me see you go live, and you know, say me go fly up and join you live when me see you.
Glad it's God say yes, cause we're alive.
Say yes, cause we blessed, crazy, never lazy. You know, say every day since
Shame I kill me again.
me say my co-worker them tired to hear about me meeting Queenie. Me shame. All people don't know who name Queenie. Me I pass them my phone. Me son go follow Queenie.
That's true. Yeah, man.
Me day cause your birthday thing and next Saturday me bad with dates from what day. But anyway,
Saturday the second.
Me don't know if you notice me I drop a gift them by your ad for what day. Me have to go load up and come over the for you, you know.
Yes, man.
Scary love. Say yes, cause we
yes, so bad, cause we bless.
yep.
Over TikTok.
Over
Top side road is over there.
Your birthday, Queen, me have to go and drop sitting for you, man. I be a money gonna
Glad to see God. Yeah, man, it was nice meeting you, though.
Yeah, man.
Pampute perform and go and go, don't.
Yeah, Pampute go out there yourself, but I have to left early. I have to left before. I have to left before it done. Because I have to go way back in a film bush for work next morning. So
I'm from Toronto. I am from India. Okay.
Yeah, but you go out with yourself too, man. Come here and say, boy, Queenie, you are an old vibe. I don't know how people have a problem with you. Because just meeting you, they are sad. Because
thank you.
When you're reaching at the room, Queenie, man, if you remember me, did you go and murder?
Yeah, man, you go out with yourself, buddy. I appreciate meeting me. That was good.
I swear, you make me all year.
Thank you.
Because this year, really kind to me.
Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy time.
My sister. So if you end up on the live and you talk about your daughter the other day, you know, get sad and me feel it too because it's a pain when like nobody gonna go through it cannot understand. Sure. And this is why I tell you, I have genuine love for you. You are so transparent with these things. A lot of things where you come like you crazy until somebody come back and say exactly how me feel. And I say, okay then, this is a normal thing.
Mr. Speaker for many people, not just women.
That's true. You speak for anybody with emotion. You speak for different category of people. You speak for people with big on social media. You speak for mothers. You speak for people of Jamaican background. You speak for people who grew up bad, poor. You speak for the
after the picture tell me say. That are the classic out of bad,
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 poor.
bad. Hey, sometimes they are working and when the kids don't understand, me say the understanding is bad, bad, poor. Bad, bad. They don't know
You
what me
know, even the pastors use my slangs. The
them support
teachers.
me a teacher
I am
Queen
such an
of
empowerment with my words and my authority of strength.
a true man. Queen fun I have something bad to say when me say this. But I could actually see you if you decide, we don't know where you stand for religion. But like if you decide to become religious, I could see you being a pastor and leading a damn good church. Because you have that something about you.
But still, people.
Yeah.
No one can
Come
control
on. Because
time.
in a business when nobody wants to say about Queenie. But the energy you give Queenie, you could lead people, you could lead them the right way.
Say it, Marsh. Say it. Marsh, I said something. Say it, Marsh.
I said Jay have authority over herself, which means you can only control or keep her in check for a moment of time. That's what people scared of her. No one can conquer her that easy.
That's true, man.
She have authority over herself, and that what I just told her. Literally before she come on, I said, Jay.
A truth. And a lot of people can't maintain my realness, my rawness, my boldness. So them want me to give them fake argument. So I'm give them the real argument. It's too real for them. Them can't some, but real recognize real.
Yeah, that's
a true thing, Queenie.
we all are
Because
Jay. We all lead our own part.
just the way you carry yourself, me can tell say you've been like this for your whole life. Because if you were someone who listen to people, you only be the Queen where me love or the Queen where your fans them love. You are
I love you, see. I'm tell my friend yesterday. I said, listen, I don't want nobody tell me no birthday alone.
if you Queen Lady Gangster, the one
No, that's why I live till I reach 54 because I work off of my spirit.
a true man.
I still reach 54. I just 7 days left, man. Leave me.
Only when follow people and I put it in this box, I want to be yourself. No one know you. If
There you go. And that's why you follow me, because of my character and I being myself. Horrible, terrible, disgusting, vulgar, loud, awful, sweet, beautiful, caring,
and
wonderful.
things.
And it goes on and on.
And
Come with everything.
I see even in your sad moments, you still find a way to inspire me. Because the other day I made the work. Like me I said this for a long time now. Even this video when come out when you cry one time. And like you said, Jesus Christ, God, Yvette. I see anytime something bad happened to me, I just go, Yvette, till people run me start saying it now, So some me make posts on social media, sometimes I caption it Yvette, and it's just how me feel. Or even,
You see the way I'm powerful, my words? No,
even
nobody can conquer me. Can I tell you something? You saw TikTok big? Nobody on TikTok now have voiceover like Queenie.
a true man. Me have a whole section on my page named Queen Lady Gang, so we just be a queen or something over this.
I said nobody. Them say self-praise is no recommendation. Them are idiots. So who promote themselves? I me praise myself and push myself.
And I hear a praise are the biggest praise in the world set of praise for Queenie. Because
before I turn artist, my daughter said, Mommy, the way you love yourself, you don't need nobody to love you.
Oh man.
You hear me? Since before I turn artist, and I am gonna remain the same. And what people must understand, I didn't ask, I didn't plan to be an artist. It happens naturally because I'm a downfall. And when honestly I take up it in anchor, Missy says a career. My strength is with it. All of my words I'm sing them when I sing them from a belly bottom. And all who are write things, give me seminar sing nothing when not indicate me.
True. Man.
Every word when I'm singing I'm a song I can defend them. Why? They don't like me.
What?
Why?
Hey. What?
Why?
Me
a wifey.
What?
Whoa.
Hey. Me say I want
my mouth powerful.
I want me talk to some people, boy, and I say, say Queenie remind me of myself. I'm tell you why I say so. Remember, I think about 2021. This. I'm
yes, Vince. Yeah, talk to me a year.
And like you went go on the seaside, I think I don't know Westmoreland. I have video one lady like you say our fish they look good on the seaside, man. I have big up when the woman start cuss you saying video our fish. You remember that woman there?
I have done that.
I saw my life go. Me just see some people and me just say something nice to them and they start by me and me have to end up done them that me look like a drunker, but really me just wanna be nice from day one.
You know what? You know my husband said to me one time, I fascinate me. He said to me, "So crazy. You know, so you're not rude to elder." I'm a laugh. For me, I said, that's good. Because it's true. Because when you're elder, you get away with that, I grow under that. So instead, I'm a light up my mouth now and slide my mouth. I don't bother muggle my mouth on them because I'm an elder.
Like butter.
But there's an extent. There is a yes, because if you screw my head and it get tight.
And my heart start goes a boom, boom, boom.
I know the one that say, you say, slide my mouth like butter. I'm a go boom, boom, boom. You have that one. Hey, me have some meme out there. But
miss a beat.
But I love see them back in them. But I love, you know, my friend this morning said to me, say, me depressed. She said that was her favorite. Where she first
that was one of
she
my.
said first she get bad, poor.
Bad,
Poor. She said, as some reach out, she just said, bad.
You told me they are work now, and like all the kids, them are upset me, and me I look at something I can't find it. Me just ball calm down, Queenie. And it really helped me.
Just
saying, calm down.
You know, you see when you
Queenie.
see, remember everything I don't listen to myself now. Sometimes some words will come out of my mouth. I said, Jesus Christ, me just said that, and you hear me say, calm down, Queenie. Because I talk to myself at the same time. So it's like, Yvette, bad, poor, right? So Yvette, you had to do the interview.